Today we're gonna make a peanut butter. So what you'll need for this is a plate along with a banana. You would also need bread, and lastly peanut butter with a knife to spread it with. First, start by toasting some bread. As we wait for our bread to toast, we are gonna need to cut the banana. So grab a chopping plate if you want and your banana. We're gonna want this banana peeled, so quickly peel it. Now that that's peeled, we're gonna start by cutting it. So I like to usually cut the ends off first. Don't know why, but I just do. We're then gonna cut the rest of the banana. So now that we have that all cut up, yeah, your bread should probably be done by now. So you're gonna wanna take that and put it all on your plate. So you can take the bananas out of the way and bring in your bread. And what we're gonna wanna do with this bread is apply some peanut butter. I'm using Crunchy Craft peanut butter. Wow. Wow. Okay, so now that we have our peanut butter on, we can now add the bananas. That's how you make a peanut butter and banana breadwhich.